Hello friend, once again welcome to my channel. This is Abhay with you. Today I am going to review one new product. It's called as Pocket Profits. So this product is created by Philip Johnson. So this is the on-shoulder video training where you learn by putting the IT reels on Instagram, that is also without showing your face. You can earn daily. So see, same like in TikTok, the people are posting the IT reels and earning the money. But in TikTok, Tik- TikTok don't like if you reproduce the content and post it on TikTok. If you do that, they will restrict your reach. But whereas on Instagram, you can do this very well. So on Instagram, you can create various page like your motivational page or your money making page, and you can use the IT reels from the big account like who have the millions of followers. From their videos, you can download that videos and reproduce, and you can post it on your own account so that you can with that video you can post your affiliate link or with your promotional link also, so through that you can earn the money by posting this type of video, that is also without showing your face. So in this tutorial, Philip's leveraging the secret of algorithm in Instagram to obtain tons of the follower. So here you will learn what to post, how to post, and how to get the traffic for your videos. So here you will learn how to do out of this, and step by step we will show what offer to be sent and which hashtag to be used. So everything is given in step by step way. So in this tutorial you will learn from scratch to finish. You can start as a fresh, so you can open your Instagram account, and it's a beginner friendly and all-in-one solution. This is the all-in-one solution. You will get the unlimited traffic from this Instagram platform. So no further investment is required, and this is a very simple method. So you can start earning from day one. So today I have a great offer for you. If you purchase this product through my link, you will get the bonuses from my side. So that bonus will act as an add-on for this software. So link is already given in the description. You just need to click on that link so that you will go to the sales page from where you will get this product and my bonuses as well. So today I am going to review this product. So first I will take you through my bonus page, then we'll visit to the member area, and then we'll go through the sales page where we'll discuss the price and OTO prices. So let's start our review. So I will take you through my bonuses. So this Pocket Profits is going to launch tomorrow 12th August on 11 AM EST, that is Eastern Standard Time. So here note down, this bonuses is only for limited time frame. So these bonuses will be there till 15th August midnight. So you have to grab this product before that so that you can avail all the bonuses. So my third bonus is access to Polarize Pro. So this software tutorial is created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. So here you will learn how to grab the traffic, buyer traffic to your product, how to bring the buyer traffic for your campaign or your product. So various strategies and hacks is given in this tutorial. Bonus number 2, how to be an online entrepreneur. So here from scratch to finish, everything you will learn from basic level as well. So how to grow your online business. So everything, various methods and strategy is given so that you can develop your online business. And third bonus is how to use Instagram influencer. So this in this tutorial you will learn how to grow your Instagram account so that it will grow your follower. So that follower will help you as a your buyer traffic as well. So here step by step way you will learn how to grow your Instagram account. This bonus number 4 is access to Nova, and all the upsells. So this software is also created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. In this software, Jono reveals all his secret, how he grow in online marketing. So he will share all his secret strategies and hacks how to grow your online business. Note down, this tutorial is only for 12 hours. So ensure that once you get this bonus, so that URL don't forget to mark as a bookmark, so that this software will remain with you forever. My bonus number 5, you will get all the vendor bonuses which is the vendor offered along with this software. So this is from bonus page. So now we'll visit to the member area. So I have logged into this member area. Once you log into the member area, you will see this dashboard. So here on left side, various menus tools is given for this video tutorial. So first introductory video is there. Then here how they earn $43,000 in 7 days. That case study is given here. So you can go through that video. So here first this welcome note is also given, and after that here in this video they have given some basic hacks and strategies before starting this tutorial. So you can go through this training video. So then main training is given. So here this training is divided in some subtopics like overview and proofs, and here even new, as I told, it's a helpful to newbie as well. So in this tutorial you will learn from scratch to finish. Even you will learn how to create your Instagram account and how to create logos for your pages or your business. uh, Everything is given in step by step way. So here in one of the chapter I already told you, so you can copy from the others people video who have a millions of followers. From that viral video you can copy and download their video and post in your own account. So here everything is given in step by step way. So here various hashtag, how this hashtag to be used to make a viral video and to get the buyer traffic. So various everything is given in this video tutorial. So here the posting, so everything is given how to post a video, how to get the buyer traffic to your videos. Everything, each and everything hacks and strategy is given in this topic. So through this video you can learn the various hacks and strategy, how to implement, what to do, what offer to be promote, promote, how to get the maximum buyers to your offer. So everything is given in this tutorial in step by step way. Then next is this upgrade. There are various upgrades along with this software. If you want to take that upgrade, you can go for this upgrade. Like this upgrade is 20x your traffic, done for your package, 100% automatic series. So you can make it an auto mode as well. So in one of the upgrade you will get the resale rights, and the one of the upgrade is here case study is given 10k buyers in 1 day. Automate your entire Instagram account. So here in this upgrade you will learn how to run your Instagram account on auto mode. So these are the various upgrade which you go for that as well. So this is the simple on-shoulder tutorial where you learn how to use the other people's viral reels, and that you have to post on your Instagram account. From there you will get the buyers for your any campaign or for your product. So this is from member area. Now I'll take you through the sales page. So we'll review this sales page. So here I will go through only main parts. If you want to go in detail, the link is already given in my description, so that once you click on that link you can go through this sales page in details. So here some testimonial is also given for this product. So along with this product, you will get 30 days money back guarantee as well if you are not satisfied with this product. So as I told you, you will get the bonuses from vendor side as well. So these are the bonuses which you will get along with this product from vendor side. So this bonus number 1, Continuum high ticket commission, and this bonus number 2, you will get the free training how they made $43,000 in 7 days. This is the case study you will get as a bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, free high ticket training. This also you get as a bonus number 3. Bonus number 4, that unfair advantage in business and live custom training. So here you will learn how to become successful in your internet marketing business. And bonus number 5, you will get the instant approval to promote the pocket profit. So these are the various bonuses which is offered by the vendor. Now I'll take you through the price part. Here the front end cost you around $13. So in this front end, you will get the access to this powerful pocket profit software and training module. Here, note down, if you purchase this front end only, you will get all the bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. And this upsell number 1 that cost you around $27, but down sale price is $17. This is 10x traffic hack. Upsell number 2 done for you that cost you around $37. Down sale price is $27. So this upgrade will give you 30 of Philips top posts which have at least 1 lakh views. Upsell number 3, 10K per month automation that cost you around $37 and down sale price is $27. Upsell number 4, resale rights. So here this upsell number 4, resale right, cost you around $97 and down sale price is $47. So here you will get the 100% commission for this product once you sell this product for all the front end and OTOs. Upsell number 5, 10K buyers in 24 hours that cost you around $97, but down sale price is $47. So here you will find out how Philips get 10K buyer in 24 hours with the secret hacks. So upsell number 6, hands off this $97 and this down sale price is $67. So here Philips will give you his exact source, how he basically let his Instagram run on autopilot mode. And upsell number 7, 152K views in 48 seconds that cost you around $67, but down sale price is $37. So I'll summarize this software. So it's a on-shoulder tutorial. So here in this video tutorial you will learn how to use this Instagram. So various hacks and strategies given in this software, so that by using that you can create and you can post the IT reels from others people viral video which have a huge follower like more than millions. From their video you can download these reels and you can repost it on your Instagram account, so that you can grab the buyer traffic to your product or your affiliate link or your any campaign, so that you can earn through this Instagram platform. So if you like this product and if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description. You will get this product, and along with that you will get the bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. So I hope this review is helpful to you. So on this channel I will come up with the various upcoming product review video. If you like this review, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching this video.